Hey guys, thanks for joining me for another bike parts video. I wanted to do a quick video on how to depin a Molex connector. This is my 2009 Dyna Fat Bob. I'm doing the handlebars. I wanted to pull these things apart. Couldn't find a good video on the internet, so I put this together real quick. First thing you do, take a video or a photo of the wires going into the back. That way you can remember the order. Next thing, get you a pair of sturdy pliers. See those two little D-shaped windows right in the back plate? Grab that and you'll get a nice positive sounding click. It's gonna travel forward about 1/4 of an inch. Then the wire that you wanna remove, go ahead, grab it from the back side, push it forward, okay? Take your paper clip, slide it in the hole right above it, then pull backwards. That's it. And repeat. Thanks. See you next time.